connected with India, and those of you who are British but are connected with the idea of democracy must recognize the value that Republic Day provides India as a marker of the day that the Constitution of India came into force. The Constitution of India, ladies and gentlemen, is a most remarkable document, and I say it not as somebody who's paid to say it, but as somebody who passionately believes it. It is that document that made us citizens, once again, irrespective of who we were, who we are, where we came from, and what languages or practices we follow at our homes.
Yo